Hi.
Wow. That's a lot of hair.
It's too much.
Today is barber day, as you see, and I'm going to give Marjolein a haircut.
Do you have a towel for me?
Yeah, I can take one. 1 minute. There you go. We only have one problem, and that's the scissors. Because last time we used them from Ursula and they were really professional, but now we'll have to do it with our own gear again. Yes, cameras are running. Which scissor do you prefer?
I think this one.
I think this one. It
Yeah?
looks a little bit rusty, but it seems sharp.
Oh, okay, then you take that one.
Very professional haircut.
Yeah?
Okay.
What are you going to...
Oh yeah, what do you want?
just a bit shorter?
A bit shorter, that's the only, like, do you want like maybe layers or...
Or you can do everything.
Yes. You trust me?
Yeah. Why not?
Yes, I trust you. Why not? Maybe because it's the first time?
Yeah. This one.
Okay, and a little bit more. Adaya, thanks Adaya.
5 a day.
Now I'm setting the baseline. It's a little bit funny to cut with this scissor, but...
It's also funny to see my hair going down and there in the water.
But someone asked us about the vegetables. I can show you what they do. So here are orange peels, apples, oranges, tomatoes, an eggplant. Here are the carrots and the peppers, and I took them inside because they are becoming a little bit brown or black. But let me finish the haircut. Oh, where are you? She's gone. So the last step.
Wait, how do I have to sit?
Just sit. So the haircut is finished. Short video for today. Marjolein happy, I'm happy. So see you tomorrow and thanks for watching. Peace out.